In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. Breakout rooms are an incredibly powerful feature for transforming large group sessions into more interactive and engaging experiences. They allow you to divide meeting participants into smaller, more manageable groups for focused discussions, collaborative tasks, or brainstorming. This is especially useful in educational settings, workshops, or large team meetings where you want to ensure everyone has a voice. To begin, once you're in an active Microsoft Teams meeting, and crucially, you must be the meeting organizer or a designated presenter, you'll need to locate the Rooms icon. This distinctive icon, often depicting two overlapping squares, is usually situated in the top menu bar of your meeting window, alongside other key controls like Chat and the Participants list. Clicking this button opens the dedicated Breakout Rooms panel on the right side of your screen, which will be your central control center for managing these smaller group sessions. This initial click is your gateway to a dynamic and interactive meeting environment. Once the Breakout Rooms panel is open, your next crucial decision is to determine the optimal number of individual breakout rooms required. Teams will present you with an option to input this number. This decision hinges on two primary factors: the total number of participants in your main meeting and the ideal size you envision for each smaller group. For instance, if you have 30 attendees and desire groups of 5, you would create 6 rooms. If you prefer more intimate pairs for a specific activity, you might opt for 15 rooms. Teams typically accommodates a wide range, from just a couple of rooms up to a substantial number, making it versatile for various meeting sizes. Simply type your chosen number into the designated numerical field. Taking a moment to consider your activity's learning objectives or collaborative goals here ensures you select the most effective number of rooms, promoting productive and balanced group interactions. With the number of rooms established, the next critical step is to decide how your participants will be assigned. Microsoft Teams provides 3 flexible assignment methods. The first is automatically assign participants. This is the quickest hands-off approach. Teams will randomly and evenly distribute all participants across the rooms. It's perfect when random grouping is acceptable, and you need to start sessions without delay. The second choice is manually assign participants. This offers precise control, enabling you to individually place each participant into a specific room. This is invaluable for pre-planned teams, skill-based groupings, or when certain individuals need to collaborate closely. Lastly, you have the option to let people choose their own room. This empowers participants to independently browse and join any available breakout room. This is excellent for self-directed workshops or topic-specific discussions. Select the method that best supports your group activity structure and goals. Having specified both the number of rooms and your preferred participant assignment method, the final preparatory action is to simply click the Create Rooms button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the setup panel, acting as the confirmation for your selections. Clicking it initiates the creation process, generating the virtual spaces as per your instructions. It's important to note that at this stage, the rooms are created but not yet open. All participants remain in the main meeting. Once created, the Breakout Rooms panel will refresh, displaying a clear list of your newly formed rooms. If you chose automatic or manual assignment, you'll also see which participants have been allocated. From this point, you gain access to further management options, such as renaming rooms, manually moving or adding participants, or even deleting rooms if necessary, all before you officially open them and send participants into their respective group sessions. This Create Rooms step is the essential bridge to launching your interactive breakout experience.